Hello, welcome back. It has been almost 2 years since I did a video about fixing my entire closet, repairing everything, and it's time to do it again. Some of you might remember, but for some reason I always collect my clothing behind this mirror, and one day it just gets too much and I finally gotta tackle some repairs. This video is just gonna be a short one, I think, but I still hope I can motivate you all to repair that one shirt that has been laying in the corner of your room for a while now. Now is the time. I know it's always a bit daunting to start, but once you get going, it'll just get easier from there. Yeah, so my mom is coming for a visit, and I think we're gonna repair all the knitted pieces that have holes. I can really use her help for that. I'm not that skilled in repairing any type of knit, but yeah. The rest of the pieces I will have to finish up myself. I'm also not gonna give myself a time limit this time, and I hope it's not gonna become an issue. But yeah, let's just go. So proud. I quickly want to show you what we fixed up and how we did it. There was not that much time to explain it during the repair process, so let me just show you now. First, we fixed up a hole in this fanny pack. We tried to imitate the weave that has been going on. We almost succeeded. Yeah, there was a huge rip in these pants, so I just sewed it up with a little bit of backing on the inside. On this vest, the sleeves were a little frayed, so we folded them in and sewed it together. Also just mended a few holes. And yeah, we also changed out this ugly red zipper into a cute little brown one. These now wrist warmers were actually socks, but the sole was worn through completely, so I just cut them off, and my mom actually knitted some cute little cuffs for it, and they look very cute. These are probably my favorite joggers, and I think I have mended them maybe like 5 times already. I wore these so much, so they keep breaking on some parts, but I can fix it so far. This might be one of my favorite thrift finds in a long while, but it already had a few moth holes that we had to fix. But yeah, I love it. On this little sports bag, the handles were pretty much non-existent, so I had to sew some reinforcements. I think it turned out nice. Also fixed up a little hole right there. I think this one was a summery dress, but my aunt cropped it and left the edges unhemmed. Also, these two were not attached, so I did that. And on my summery dress, the straps were almost coming off, so I sewed them back on. And we also managed to fix up a hole in this cute top, fixed up some frayed edges on this knit vest, attached a button back onto these pants, mended this scarf, and I fixed a hole in this pillowcase. I am so happy that it wasn't as much work as I initially thought, because we did it together. It was way faster, of course, and while my mom was fixing all the knit stuff, I could sew up some pieces with the machine. And yeah, I hope you found this video entertaining, and maybe you could also repair something that you put off for a while. And with all that said, thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Findest du es? Ah, da ist. Ich hab's nicht gefunden.